There comes a point in every car enthusiast's journey where the search for the newest, fastest, and most technologically advanced machine quietly fades into something deeper. You stop asking what's next, and you start asking what lasts. What survives not just years, but decades. What still feels meaningful long after the showroom smell is gone and the warranty papers are forgotten. Today's automotive world moves at an incredible speed. Models change every few years. Engines become smaller, more complex, and more dependent on software than steel. Interiors turn into screens instead of spaces. But hidden beneath this modern rush is a generation of Mercedes vehicles that were built with a very different mindset. These cars were designed to be used, not leased, maintained, not replaced, remembered, not traded in. And what makes them truly special is that today, many of them are still surprisingly affordable. Not because they've lost their value, but because the world has forgotten what they represent. This is the story of 5 Mercedes models you can still buy for reasonable money, maintain without losing your sanity, and keep for the rest of your driving life. Cars that don't just carry you from place to place, but quietly become part of who you are as a driver and as an owner. 1. Mercedes-Benz W123 300D. The W123 300D stands as one of the most respected vehicles in automotive history, not because of performance figures or luxury features, but because of something far more powerful: absolute mechanical honesty. This car was engineered in an era when Mercedes believed its reputation was its most valuable asset. Every decision made during its development was guided by one simple question: will this still work decades from now? At the heart of the W123 300D is a naturally aspirated diesel engine that operates at a calm, almost unbothered pace. It doesn't rush, it doesn't strain, it simply works. The engine's design prioritizes low stress, thick internal components, and simple mechanical systems that can be serviced with basic tools and basic knowledge. Around the world, this model became the backbone of taxi fleets, rural transportation, and long-distance travel. It wasn't uncommon to see these cars operating in extreme heat, heavy dust, poor fuel conditions, and rough roads, all while continuing to perform day after day. Ownership of a W123 isn't about convenience, it's about connection. You hear the engine, you feel the steering, you sense the suspension working beneath you. There's no filter between you and the machine, and that direct relationship is exactly what makes people fall in love with it. Inside, the design reflects the same philosophy. Everything has a purpose. The seats are firm but supportive. The controls are simple and logical. The materials, while not flashy, feel like they were chosen to survive decades of use, not just impress in a showroom. Today, the W123 remains one of the most affordable entry points into truly classic Mercedes ownership. Parts availability is still strong. Communities of owners and mechanics exist around the world. And once you understand how it works, maintaining it becomes less of a chore and more of a routine. This is not a car you grow out of. It's a car you grow into. 2. Mercedes-Benz W210 E-Class. The W210 occupies a unique position in Mercedes history. It sits at the edge between old-school engineering and modern complexity. It represents a time when comfort, safety, and refinement were advancing rapidly, but mechanical durability was still a priority. This generation introduced more technology than previous E-Class models, but it did so without abandoning the structural strength and engine design principles that made Mercedes famous. Under the hood, many of the naturally aspirated engines from this era are known for their smooth power delivery and long-term stability. These engines don't chase aggressive tuning or maximum output. Instead, they focus on balance, thermal efficiency, and mechanical consistency. The driving experience reflects that philosophy. The W210 doesn't feel rushed, it feels composed. On the highway, it settles into a quiet, confident cruise that makes long-distance travel feel effortless. The suspension absorbs imperfections without disconnecting you from the road. Inside, the cabin still carries a sense of traditional luxury. Real trim materials, broad seats, and a layout that prioritizes comfort over minimalism. You don't need to learn menus or swipe through screens. Everything is where you expect it to be. What makes the W210 especially interesting today is its position in the market. It's old enough to be undervalued, but modern enough to be used daily. For many owners, it becomes a bridge between classic Mercedes ownership and modern driving expectations. It's a car that rewards attention. Proper maintenance keeps it running smoothly for years. And when you take care of it, It gives back in the form of comfort, presence, and a sense of mechanical confidence that's increasingly rare. 3. Mercedes-Benz W203 C-Class. The W203 represents Mercedes' attempt to create a compact luxury car that didn't feel like a compromise. It was designed for drivers who wanted refinement and quality in a smaller, more manageable package. Mechanically, this generation is known for its balance between simplicity and modern features. Many of its engines rely on naturally aspirated designs that prioritize longevity over maximum performance. This makes them easier to maintain and more forgiving over long-term ownership. Driving a W203 feels different from driving most modern compact sedans. The steering has weight. The chassis feels solid. The car communicates what the road is doing instead of isolating you from it. Inside, the cabin reflects a transitional period in Mercedes design. You still get traditional materials and physical controls, but with a touch of modern convenience. The layout feels intuitive, and the seating position gives a clear view of the road, making it a comfortable car for both city driving and longer trips. What makes the W203 stand out today is its versatility. It can be a daily driver, it can be a weekend project, it can be a long-term companion for someone who wants a Mercedes experience without the size or complexity of larger models. The market still undervalues it, especially compared to what it offers in build quality and driving feel. For the right owner, it becomes a car that quietly proves its worth over time. 4. Mercedes-Benz W463 G-Class. The W463 G-Class exists in a category of its own. It is one of the few vehicles in the world that has successfully combined true off-road engineering with long-term luxury appeal. Unlike most modern SUVs, the G-Class is built on a foundation designed for durability. A ladder frame chassis, solid axles, mechanical locking differentials, these are components traditionally found in work vehicles and military platforms, not luxury cars. But Mercedes layered refinement on top of that foundation. Leather interiors, advanced climate systems, premium audio, high-quality materials throughout the cabin. The result is a vehicle that feels equally comfortable, climbing steep terrain or cruising through city streets. It doesn't pretend to be something else. It embraces its identity as a rugged machine with a refined personality. Ownership of a W463 is not just about driving, it's about presence. The design is instantly recognizable. The sound of the doors closing, the upright driving position, the feeling that you're sitting in something substantial and purposeful. Despite its reputation, older W463 models have become more attainable over time. They sit in a unique space where they are still premium, still special, but no longer out of reach for dedicated enthusiasts. This is not a vehicle you buy casually. It becomes part of your lifestyle. It shapes how and where you drive. And for many owners, it becomes a long-term companion rather than a temporary possession. 5. Mercedes-Benz W211 E-Class. The W211 represents a bold moment in Mercedes history. It combines traditional luxury with a new level of performance and technology, creating a sedan that feels both refined and powerful. This generation introduced advanced suspension systems, improved safety features, and a range of engines that offered smooth power delivery and strong highway performance. Driving a W211 feels stable and confident. The chassis is designed for high-speed comfort. The steering is precise without being overly sensitive. The suspension balances softness with control, making it equally capable on long trips and daily commutes. Inside, the cabin reflects Mercedes' commitment to quality during this era. Real materials, thoughtful design, a layout that prioritizes driver comfort and visibility. What makes the W211 especially appealing today is how much car you get for the money. It still feels modern enough to fit into today's world, but old enough to avoid some of the complexity found in newer models. For owners who are willing to maintain it properly, it becomes a long-term investment in comfort, performance, and presence. Final thoughts. What unites all of these Mercedes models is not just reliability or affordability. It's intention. They were built with the idea that a car should be something you form a relationship with, not something you replace as soon as a new version appears. They reward patience, they reward care, and in return they offer a driving experience that feels personal rather than disposable. These are cars that carry stories, not just of where they've been, but of who has driven them, maintained them, and chosen to keep them when so many others moved on. If you enjoy deep, long-form stories about cars that were built to last, make sure to support the channel by subscribing and leaving a like. It helps this kind of content reach more people who still care about real engineering and timeless design. And now I want to hear from you. Which Mercedes would you choose to keep for the rest of your life? And what makes it special to you? Leave your answer in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.